Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online by simply watching videos. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Okay, so today I'm going to show you the third of 4 different apps or websites that you can use to earn money by watching videos. It's one of my favorites because they provide decent pay. This video is 2 minutes long, and for every minute you watch it, you will be paid $2. Consider how straightforward that is. Merely press the play button, wait 2 minutes, and you'll get rewarded. Let's have a look at the first website first. So let's start with the lowest paying website and work our way up. My personal favorite will be the third, as you will see. Our first website will be at CreatesRewards.net. You may be compensated for the work you've already done on the internet. You almost certainly watch videos every day. In fact, you're probably watching one right now. And you can get paid for it with this website. You can get money not just by watching videos, but also by going in the opposite direction. Shopping online, exploring websites, or simply clicking on the websites can all be used to make money online. You can make much more money if you want to. If you want to improve your outcomes, you should definitely take advantage of their numerous offerings. Believe me, it's really simple. They'll simply provide you a link to a web page that you may visit. Study for a minute or two, then close, and you'll be paid. But we came here to make money by watching movies. Our main attention will be on it. We're using this website right now since I did a lot of research on it, read a lot of reviews, and it's been around for a long time. You know it's good since it's been online for almost 21 years. They'd be gone in 2 months if it were a scam. But they've been online for over 2 decades, and of course, you can cash out using PayPal, which is excellent because I know how much you guys love PayPal money. They'll also give you a $5 sign-up bonus, which means you'll get paid $5. You will receive $5 just by opening an account on CreatesRewards.net. All you have to do now is enter your email address, country, and password. Click another robot to confirm the same password, and click Register Now. This first website is only available in top-tier countries like the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. However, if you're not from one of those countries, hang in there because I'll show you 3 more websites that are truly internationally available. The second website which we will use is equally impressive. There are no points or gift cards to earn, and the money will be sent into your PayPal account. You'll be paid in cash, and it'll all take place on Cashkick.com. Once again, Cashkick.com will pay you cash for all of your favorite online activities, such as watching movies and surfing the web. We'll be concentrating on viewing videos the most, but if you want to make even more money, they'll allow you to simply browse the internet and earn money that way as well. All of this is likely something you currently do on a daily basis. You go to Google and search for a variety of things, but you don't make any money. You can get paid to search the web, do surveys, and find great deals using this service, all while getting cash back. However, because taking surveys can be tedious, I recommend focusing on other activities such as watching videos and surfing the web if you want to make more money. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Find and complete your mission. Track your profits in your account and cash out when you reach $5. So the minimum payout is incredibly low. All you have to do is hit $5 to cash out and spend the money on whatever you choose. All of these testimonies can be found on their official website and have done a lot of research as well. From what I've seen, people seem to enjoy the amount of money they can make with Cashkick.com. Immediately, all you have to do is enter your email address, establish a password for your account, and click Get Started Now. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. CreatesRewards.net. This is a site where you can earn money not just by watching free films but also by playing games, which is great because making money online can be a lot of fun. The nicest thing about Quick Rewards is that there is no minimum cash out amount, which sets it apart from other services. You can cash out and spend your money on whatever you choose as soon as you can start viewing movies. Other promotions will have a 1-cent minimum redemption requirement, which is a no-brainer because some websites will tell you that in order to pay out, you must first achieve a specific level such as $100 or $200. There is no requirement for a minimum for this one. You may instantly withdraw your money to your PayPal account and it's all free, so you can earn money by playing games or watching movies. If you want to make the most of your time, you may take part in polls, complete offers, and get cashback on your online purchases. They've paid out over $7 million to their subscribers since 2002. So, they've been around a long time. You can acquire free PayPal money, free Amazon gift cards, and free in-store gift cards if you don't want to use PayPal. But I'm expecting many of you will choose PayPal because in my experience, it's the best option. You may spend that money any place on the internet, unlike Amazon gift cards, which can't be used in other stores. All you have to do is go to CreatesRewards.net and click on. You can sign up for a free account right here. Now, if it doesn't function in your nation for whatever reason, what I strongly suggest you to do is go to Google and look for a 100% free VPN. Simply type in free VPN and connect your computer. To join CreatesRewards.net, change your IP address to one from a top-tier country like the USA, the United Kingdom, or Canada. If it doesn't work in your country for whatever reason, you can use Porton or Surfshark VPN, which I recently tried and found to be a quite useful one. Of course, you can use any VPN you want right now. Simply download it and use it to sign up for all of the other top-tier country websites for free. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next video.